Is English just a subject in your school, or a skill students confidently use? Welcome to Quest, a school-based program that transforms how English is taught and used. We blend fluency, confidence, and personality in one classroom. Every session is activity-based with real conversations, listening drills, and public speaking tasks. No boring lectures. Just practical, spoken English every day. We've seen silent students find their voice. We've seen hesitation turn into expression. Quest classrooms build habits that stay for life. Our trainers handle delivery and student engagement. Your teachers see the results. Your school builds a brand. Partner with Quest today and let your students speak, lead, and grow.